Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're starting by preparing the system and entering firmware. First, back up any critical files. This avoids data loss if you change boot order. Next, make sure the drive you want to boot from is connected and powered, whether it's an internal SSD, HDD, or a USB installer. Now reboot and press the BIOS or UEFI entry key shown at startup, like F2, Del, or ESC. Once you're in firmware, move to the boot or startup settings to change the boot priority list. Once inside the firmware, navigate to the boot or startup menu. Settings differ by vendor, but the section is clearly labeled. You'll see a boot priority list. Select the device you want and move it to the top using the indicated keys like +/, F5/F6, or a drag-and-drop interface in UEFI. Make sure to check Secure Boot and Legacy/CSM modes if the device won't boot. Toggle them only if you understand the implications. Finally, save changes and choose the exit. After reboot, verify the system actually boots from your selected drive. You should see the OS loading screen or the installer interface. If it doesn't, make sure the drive is properly connected and recognized in firmware, and confirm its partition format matches the firmware mode. UEFI needs GPT, Legacy needs MBR. Also recheck Secure Boot. Disable it temporarily if unsigned bootloaders are used. As a troubleshooting tip, use the one-time boot menu, F12, F11, to test booting without changing persistent settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.